Welcome back to the show. Hello, everybody. Good morning or good evening for some of you. Hello there. Welcome. How's everybody doing? Yannick's hello. Alex is in the house. Bill Hovens, hello. MSG UFO as well. Spiritual healing, hello there. No Trace Talks, hello. Let's ride. Good morning. Hello, thank you for subscribing, Christian Lee. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining us. Street Beats in the building next to Moo Moses. Hello. WTF is this? Well, it was intro. What's up? Not 200. Maybe you're on a different contract, or maybe you're on CFD. I'm not sure. You took the short? No, I did not take a short. Actually, I'm still waiting if this one goes higher. So, and you finally selling off? What are you talking about? Is this selling off? Oh, technically, who knows? Depends on where we look at it, right? I see. All right. I'm thinking that this one could go higher to that 108.25. So if you just scroll back to December, look at December. Look at all these relative equal highs from December. Just saying. Oopsie. There could be some liquidity here. Look at that. What do you guys think? This is just the hourly chart. What if this one wants to continue higher? Good morning, everyone. Hold on. Gotta make sure I'm logged in. All right. So we are hovering above the midnight area. Good morning, K-Bell. Hello there. Let's all smash the like, it's starting. We gotta do it. The daily goal is to reach 100, so we are at 11. Thank you so much for joining us, or me, and everyone. Mirovsky, hello there. Curry Fishbowl, what's up? NQ bounced off of open. The November 3rd open. What? I guess. CPI has still my draw. Yeah, nice. Let's go. I have a long position, by the way, on NQ. It's more like an intraday swing position that I have. Good morning, Marco. Hello there. HD Photo, hello. Welcome. So I have a very small long position, which is... Where is it? Oh, here it is. You guys don't see it. Hold on. All right. So here is the long position I have. Only one micro. I'm kind of hoping that it will go higher in a drawdown. Ahmed, hello there. 26, 28. Could go higher, yeah. Oh, you don't sleep. Okay. You just don't sleep. Sometimes we all need some sleep. Oops. I don't know what I just did. Okay. So this is NQ. I'm kind of seeing this as a possible bullish momentum higher. 15-minute looks good. Repricing this area. I can imagine that, Maybe not in this London session, but maybe later in the New York session, there might gonna be one more push higher. That's what I'm kind of hoping for. Since last Friday, dude, you need some sleep. You gotta get some sleep, man. First we go, then maybe after us we can break. Maybe. I mean, look at that. The same situation as yesterday. 7 p.m. yesterday. Well, not 7, even 8, 6:30-ish. And 7, 5 minutes after 7. Anyway, long time since the price did not connect with the VWAP. So could be interesting. I didn't work the freezing and unfreezing. It didn't work. Frequency, hello there. Yeah, it seems like it's going. Mirovsky is in heavy short from 20. Well, actually, that's good. You're in profit there. That's good. Let's look for some levels here on the downside. We do actually have a... technically, we do have a demand zone down there. On the 5 minute. Okay, what else? We have another one right here. So that could be also interesting. Keep an eye on that. So we could go. There's definitely some gravity there. And I think we can go down to that 990 level-ish as well. Who knows for how far? But look at this. Well, there could be retracement. There could be. I can absolutely imagine that we go below midnight and maybe even sweep the 970s. Overall, throughout the day, I'd like to see the market go to that 108 level, 26,108 area. But yes, we can definitely go lower, even contact with the VWAP down there. So I guess we shall see, right? Will be interesting. Randall, hello there. What's up, Randall? Yeah, could be like 20 points down, and then I'm not sure. I like that level at 990. It could be holding, but yes, it can go lower. I agree. So my trade is in a bit of a drawdown, which is fine. 39 is my stop. So my stop loss is way down there. Actually, I might even reverse my position. If we go below like 970 or even 960, I might just reverse and try to target that 5 minute demand zone. Like that could be a plan. If that happens. Harshit, hello there. You're in a sell from 20, targeting 920. 920. Yeah, good area. Yeah, nice. We have the zone there. Good selling positions, by the way, guys. Absolutely good. I was kind of looking the higher time frames, and that is why I was kind of sold on the idea to hold an intraday swing position on this one. Okay, had internet problems. I see. Well, internet problems do happen with most of us. Okay, we are having 26 likes and 91 viewers, which means we need to push it to 50. Can everybody please help us? Help me to push it to 50. You know, we can get some free codes, account codes from TRADEIFY, Take Profit Trader, Lucid Trading. We just need more viewers, that's all. We might find a lovely boom to down today. In third dimension of tilt, I still feel nothing. Oh my gosh. Moses, I still kind of feel like you should be having some sleep. Price been long for a long time. Most likely a sell-off coming. Yeah, could be. Could be. Sell-off is always around the corner on these markets. So let's just wait. How you escape? Well, you go to sleep. That's how you escape. You just have to sleep. Gabor, hello there. Good morning. Wouldn't we need some break of structure first to go lower? Yes. Ideally, that would be better. I mean, if you want to be super aggressive, you can do two things. I mean, actually one. You can also use this swing low on this 5-minute candle as a possible structure shift. So you can use this too. There's a market structure shift there. It's not like a, technically it's a structure, but otherwise, you know, it's just a candle. But anyway, it counts as structure, especially on the 1 minute time frame. Look at that. There's a structure there on the one minute. I mean, there's a nice swing low, candles all around, building up some structure there and then breaking it lower. So technically it counts, especially on the 3 minute. Yeah. Because I'm seeing my target way down there, if I want to go short, and again, I might reverse my position. I'm seeing it down there at 923.75. For a safer entry, well, I need this to go below this 970. Even just to rethink my strategy for the London session. So if it goes below that level, maybe I will reconsider. Wouldn't we need some? Yeah, I just answered. From gold and silver. What? Silver? Being more on mine NQ is low. I think I can follow you, Moses, but I think you need some sleep. Just wait. I love waiting. Yeah, waiting is a good part, by the way. Randall, I like that. You know, waiting should be something that you like during trading. You know, waiting for the opportunity. I think we London Open. See, volume too low for. Yeah, it's definitely low for now. It's definitely low. Let's just hope for London to show us something. We are at 40 likes already. Let's go. All we need to do is just push it above 50. Super simple. Thank you. Thank you. Mahavir, hello there. Good morning. I'm long gold and getting to close my eyes and listen. Okay. Stacks networks. All right. Well, just sit back, relax, and let's all hope for the best. And by the way, speaking of gold, it looks like it does want to break higher. Previous day high, which is Monday high, is 5107.9. Seems like we had a push over Asia session. Everything looks good for some longs. It did sweep a bit of a liquidity on the 15-minute fair value gap there. I guess we shall see. Excuse me. There is a zone on the 5-minute. It's a demand zone, which could be somewhat interesting for those of you who want to short gold. So, you know, just be careful. But there is a 5-minute demand zone lower at 5,040.1 on futures. And by the way, speaking of contract sizing and such, I think we're rolling over to the April contract soon on gold. Now I checked the contract there, it says 7,000 on, is that correct or not on the April contract? Anyway, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I just was checking the wrong one. We need Trump to tweet. Yeah. Market makers hate guys like you. I see. Yeah, let's go back to NQ. It's only on micros. Okay, yeah, it could be. Let's check it on the mini. It's on the mini too, by the way, as far as I'm seeing it. It's not like a super great zone, but it's there. The candle at 855, I think this is it. The bearish candle at 855. Yeah. It's not the best zone, that's for sure. There are much better ones than this. Yeah, no volume. No volume, AI impossible. GameStop, don't stop till end of month for gold silver meme. Okay. Let's see what is going on. Yeah, still just on the same spot here. Where? Okay, now there's one interesting thing here. Okay. And yeah, so this zone has not been mitigated on gold. So I know it kind of makes everything a different perspective. I'm going to be watching this, putting an alert on gold for now. Tom, if we pass multiple accounts from Bulenox, can we copy them within their Project X settings? I noticed they got a tab says copy. Yes, you can. You can. Although, I think you're aware that Bulenox is only going to be supporting Project X for another month or two. So sooner or later, you are going to be transitioned to Rhythmic data, which means you will need to use NinjaTrader or Quantower or anything that supports Rhythmic. I didn't know about the exact settings because I never used Project X. But just saying to be prepared, Javier. But yes, you can. It has a built-in copy trader, just like Quantower has built-in copy trader. Marko Vasic, hello there. Dobro jutro. Good morning. Hello there. Yeah, TopStep is keeping Project X only to themselves. Some other prop firms are already stopped using or promoting Project X accounts, but I think Bulenox is still having it. Not for long though. Maybe another month, maybe two. I don't know. Timothy, hello there. From Pensacola, hello. No, I won't do the Trump thing. I don't think I want to do that. Thank you. Dobro jutro, hello there. Yeah, I'm trying to learn. I do know in Croatia they say it like technically almost the same, like dobro jutro, right? No movement, upper levels are failing. Look at the how many one minute volume, but it has the whoa, Mr. Shiro 76 on their name. Hello, Mr. Shiro 76. Thank you for joining the stream. Welcome. Because they're selling up to for another move down. And not that many points. Could be right there. Ashoku, hello. Ashokumar, sorry. Good morning. Welcome. So if I buy Lucid and I got one Bulenox funded, can I copy Lucid using Bulenox as lead account on Quant Tower? Well, Bulenox has this rule, but I'm just going to say this unofficially. Like, Bulenox says you cannot copy the Bulenox accounts with any other prop firm account. So you cannot use the Bulenox accounts as a slave or master account in any context with other prop firm accounts. That being said, I do know that many traders are copying the Bulenox accounts. So I'm just saying that it's in the master account agreement. Technically, you can, by the way, at Quant Tower, you can copy between Lucid and Bulenox. I'm just saying, like, the master account agreement says that you cannot copy trade Bulenox accounts with other prop firm accounts. But technically, they told me it's impossible to track. So, I don't know. I mean, it's possible. Yes, you can. But, like, just to let you know. I mean, you can. I'm not saying, I mean, but this is not an advice. I'm just saying, like, what I've heard so far. Honestly, I like the TP and stop loss in Project X. Yeah, I mean, I never tried it, so. Oh, I don't know how to say that, Mirovsky. U vas utro? Сейчас? I don't know. Anyway, I'll try my best. Dobro jutro is Serbian. Ah. So how do they say it in Croatia? Dobro jutro or dobro, dobre? There is just one letter of difference in pronunciation. Good morning, Caesar. Hello there. Antonis, hello. Good morning from Greece. Hello there. Then try to get your payout. Yeah. Well, Croatians speak technically similar, or the same language, right? Yeah. Good morning, loving nature guy. Hello there. Doing great, thank you. It seems like it's going lower now. NQ is going lower, so yeah, there you go. I was going to say we should be approaching that 992. I think that's the opening of the candle. So all of you who are holding a short position are good. My long position is in a bit of a drawdown, but not a big deal. Let's go. Let's go. We have 54 likes. Amazing. And 130 of them viewers, which means, you know, today's goal is to get to 100 likes. So, and we have 54 already. Step by step, we will make it there. Excuse me. I'm yawning here, left and right. Should be sleeping more. "20 years ago, the Balkans and other country that spoke Serbian, but now they claim to all be individual languages." Yeah, I don't know about that. I do know that obviously there was a war there, and like, I was a kid at that time in the 90s. But yeah, different times. Natasha is here. Hello, wonderful morning. What's happening? What's happening? 55 like number 55 in likes. Hello. Welcome, welcome. Oh, 55. Yeah, we are at 60 now. Let's go, everybody. 40 more. User ZY1RU5HJ3N. Hello. Welcome. I guess I might have to close my long position there. It seems like we're going lower. I mean, you know what? So far, I'm okay with that. So here's my position. It's in a bit of a drawdown. It's fine. Nowadays the London market is not too good to me, to be honest. So Never Suffer 77, hello there. What's up? Yeah, congratulations on the short, Mirovsky. Yeah, we still have time until London. 36 minutes there. Crazy gold sell. Let's go. Yesterday. Let's go, Natasha. Congratulations. Yeah. Let's see. I'm kind of waiting for a short on gold as well. So waiting for the short. Hey, Mike. Thank you, Mike. Appreciate that again. Thank you for the donation. Fun coupons. Let's go. No, thank you. Thank you so much.
Come on, team. Let's smash the likes to 100.
Let's go. Thank you so much, man. Yeah, getting closer. And because of that, I'm going to show you guys my Christmas present. I think some of you guys seen it on X. I posted it out. I received an Apple AirPod Max 2, actually, headphones. Now, the fancy thing, it has a holster, by the way. It has this holster, its own holster. So when I unwrap it from the holster, look at that. MyFundedFutures custom design. It has the MyFundedFutures logo on it. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know. But anyway, you guys don't see it. It has the MyFundedFutures logo right there. So custom painted Apple AirPod Max 2. And I never had anything like this. Never ever. And it's kind of cool. I love it. And the other thing, they sent it in a custom box right here. It says MyFundedFutures named to me in a custom box. Like, how amazing is this? You know, creating a custom box for it. Anyway, it's cool. I thought I'd put it there. I never had something like this. I mean, this is a very expensive piece, you know. I mean, I gotta make sure I mean, I never had Apple AirPod. I checked the price. It's a very pricey headphone, like AirPod Max, and it's a Bluetooth thing. But man, you know, it's quite nice with the holster. Anyway, I like it. All right, what is happening? We still have some time. The market is just not moving at all. They look cool. Yeah, I was so surprised. You know, it was sitting in custom. So I received it for Christmas, but for some reason, UPS was holding it at custom in a warehouse and at customs for over a month. From December 22, it was in the customs warehouse. I did not have to pay customs because it was a gift, but it took me a couple of emails and phone calls until they realized that, okay, this is a gift and I don't have to pay tax for it, because I thought I have to pay tax, but now we sorted it out. Like, if this is a gift, then I don't have to pay. Anyway, I don't know the details, but NQ 2645 lower swipe then short. Well, low resistance liquidity at 45 could be. I mean, if we get above 45, I mean, then we should be tagging 50. Now once we close above 50, I would be watching for that 108 level, or at least the 100-ish area. So, you know, January 13. All right, here. Yeah. Okay, let's put a line here. Good idea. Let's put a line. Possible buy side liquidity there. Could happen. But, you know, I just feel like if we get above 46, then it should be going higher. We have 74 likes, everybody. 74, only 26 more needed. And I know we can do it. I know we can. I'm sure we can. 26 more and we are done for the day. Gold is going up nicely. And NQ is definitely going this. I mean, it's just doing the same thing as it always does. Just going sideways. You know, not much hope for it yet. Oh, Apex is not 80% off. I have to correct it on the Streamlabs bot. I'm sorry. I apologize. Apex is not 80% yet. It's 50% currently. I'm going to update that in a second. I do know that Lucid is back to 40%. No, TRADEIFY is back to 40%. %40 on all evals. We need a couple of more TRADEIFY sales as well. I've been told if we can get a few more, we can get codes for a giveaway. Okay. Yeah, I have to update. I forgot to update. Sorry about this. Let me update. 50% on Bulenox. Oh, sorry, on Apex. 45 on Bulenox. Okay, it's being updated. TRADEIFY 40%. Okay, everything is updated. Thank you. The buy one get one for free promo still runs with Funded Futures Network. Just saying. Silver is going again? What's happening? Oh my gosh, look at this. Silver is just unstoppable. Just algo and high time frame boys waiting for the New York Open. You think so? Maybe the New York Open will bring us something. I bought a stock ticker that runs at home. When I spot a trade opportunity, I head to the office. Ah. Quotron stock ticker. Sounds fancy. Hey, thank you so much, Maggie. Thank you. I appreciate for the support. Thank you. Yeah, Lucid is 40% off. And yeah, thank you. Appreciate, and everyone who were using the code. Yeah, all I know is TRADEIFY is also running a 40% sale on all the evals. It's fun. Nice. Yeah, gold just broke the highs. Oh yeah, seems like it does. Let's see. Okay. I'm kind of wondering if, you know, Hold on, I have to check something real quick. No, 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 no. If okay, look at that. Now it's going back a little bit. TRADEIFY is now 30. I thought I saw a flash sale. Let me check it. Hold on, hold on. Sorry, I have to check it because there was a promo that they started running yesterday. I need to check that again. Sorry. Then I'm going to correct it. I'm going to correct it if that's the case. Maybe not all the let me check. Hold on. Where's TRADEIFY? Oh, 30%. What? I thought it's 40. I did see a promo yesterday on Twitter. Anyway, my mistake again. All right, my mistake. 30% of all evals. Yeah, hold on a second. I'll be right back. I am here. I'm back. I'm sorry. I apologize. I had some guests actually. You would never know who just visited me. I mean, not the market makers. Sorry. The chimney sweepers were here. The chimney sweepers were here. So I'm gonna get lucky today. Somebody was at the door, and it was the chimney sweepers. I'm sorry again. Almost, yeah. So what's happening? What's happening at the charts? Not much is happening so far. All right. I'm gonna take a quick look at, let's see. At some things. So what's NQ basically didn't do anything, and we still have 8 minutes to go, right? So nothing happened. Nothing at all. Which is kind of weird to think about it. Viktor Orban almost. The connect almost. Yes, Mike. It was not the SWAT team, almost. Good morning, Trader Mato. Hello. Trader Muchko, I must say there. Yeah, it was a great gift. Yeah, I was so surprised. Like, wow, what a gift. Yeah, it's an awesome thing. So far, NQ is not doing anything. Gold is holding the area, basically just going sideways here. And nothing else. Sideways action. Only sideways action here. Only sideways action here. But I wonder, how far will this go? Mm-hmm. The buys on NQ. I'm gonna remain bullish, by the way, for today. I'm gonna remain bullish. That's for sure. Oh, we are at 93 likes. That is amazing. I'm sorry I left you guys for a bit there. We are at 93 likes. And look at NQ. It's just unbelievable that we're still hovering here. It's not going anywhere. I'm gonna look at something real quick. I'm just curious about something on USD CAD. I thought I saw something on USD CAD, but I might be wrong. But I think I did see it correctly. Because I want to open up a position on my FTMO account. And to me, it just seemed like, or seems like that 77.83 could be going higher. Anyway, let's watch NQ. No, that was not USD CAD, sorry. That was USD Swiss. I mixed it up. I wanted to say USD Swiss. 77.83. No, I thought I saw something. So far, not much is going on here. Five minis, 1 minute at 6 p.m. open and sell 3 a.m. yesterday. Today, and you'll be up 60,000. Is that really simple? Is that how simple it is, really? Because if it is, I want to do that. We need to sweep the highs. I'm going to remain bullish, as I said. I want to see the 26,000 and 26,108. So we've been looking at that level since so long now that it's just, I like that. Silver is going higher. Yeah, it seems like it's going. So far, so good, right? And NQ, I'm still in the position, by the way. I'm still in the position. In a bit of a drawdown, but it's still good. No problem with that. So I'm targeting 98, by the way, 98.75. If NQ would push higher, I like to get out before reaching the 100. But, you know, weekend was great, Ali. Thank you. This is what you could do. Buy the 9 a.m. PM trade and sell the 7 a.m. trade. Stop out if breaks 6 or 9. Could be an interesting strategy. I mean, you need to do some back testing on it. I guess you did. But sounds interesting. Let's see. Here's the new 5-minute candle coming up on NQ. Let's see the reaction. Nothing is moving so far. All right. I thought there's going to be something at the London Open, but it's just, you know, not really doing the thing. Analysis paralysis. Well, there's many ways to look at it. And what's that? I mean, yeah. Don't worry, Mirovsky. I mean, as long as you have controlled risk, there's nothing to fear. Have no fear, you know. Have no fear. We have 100 likes. Let's go, everybody. Thank you for smashing it. We reached 100 likes. Daily goal is smashed. Amazing, amazing. It's team effort, you know. Teamwork. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, I'm out of tea, basically. I need to check something on dollar CAD. I'm sorry, guys. I need to check something here. Okay, so we have that level. I'm looking for a level on dollar CAD. The only reason is because I'm trading this FTMO account and I'm just curious if I can get it to pay out, basically. So I thought I will throw in some Forex pairs as well. And I'm not sure if I can do that. Okay. Once I have a level at... Oops, not that. I don't know. Gotta check for levels here. This was Thursday. Are we going lower? Don't worry, guys. I'm gonna go back to futures. I'm just want to make sure I'm seeing this correctly. Okay, there's a 4-hour level there. There is a level here. Okay. And that level is going to be, it's not going to be accurate, but I'm going to put a line. Oh my gosh. 60. 37.60. All right, position sizer. That's good. I'm gonna stick with that. All right. I just entered the long position on dollar CAD. Just wanted to make sure that it's fine. Anyway, I'm here. I'm here. Yeah, no movement. Guys, I must say that so far this price action in this London session is one of the worst this year. Officially, I'm just gonna say it. Well, I'm not actually trading that too much. I mean, I'm just testing FTMO. Back in those years, I could never reach a payout with FTMO. That's the thing. I was struggling for almost 2 years to reach a payout with FTMO, and I was like, I had this thing in my mind, like one day I will make a payout from FTMO. So what I'm doing here is I just bought a 10K account, so it's not a big deal, and I'm kind of trading that account. As you can see, I have 3 open positions. Anyway, on FTMO, it's a small account, not a big deal, making slow progress. But I was like, I need to prove to myself that I can take a payout from FTMO as well. So it's just a personal, it's basically, it's a side quest. Okay, that's the best explanation. That's just a side quest for me because, you know, revenge trading. I have the smallest one only, the 10K account. Because at this point, I didn't even know if I can get back to trading CFDs. So I did not want it to risk $300 in the first place, or 400 for a bigger account. So I just wanted to make sure that I understand MetaTrader correctly and I can do everything correctly. I want to get it. It's not about the money. It's about that if I can take a payout or not from FTMO. And, you know, slow and steady. Actually, I can show you guys my stats if you are interested. I'm taking it very slowly at FTMO. Very, very slowly. Extremely slowly on this account. Let's see. So I don't want to share the password and everything, but like, yeah. So far, these are the stats. It's not the best. It's a 10K account. I don't know if you guys can see it. Currently, I'm floating in some positions, but the website, look at how fast the website, the dashboard is updating every second, as you can see it here. Now, so far, these are the trades that I made: $73, $93. Now, the thing you see like 15 trades, it's, by the way, it's not 15. Because if I close partial trades with micro lots, that counts as a trade. So it's not 15 trades. This is not accurate. But anyway, 73, 93, 96, 69, 170, 92. Today, $8 so far closed. Expectancy, average risk to reward ratio is 1.1. Win ratio is 59%, almost 60% win ratio there. Profit factor 1.6. So these are fairly good numbers. There was a day when I almost breached the account. The drawdown went down to 3.5%. So, but so far, it's all right, you know. It's okay. Yeah. So I just started it. And these are trades. Yeah. Anyway, so far not bad. It's only CFD, so guys, this is not the main focus. It's just a side quest for me. Oh, look at that. By the way, ES went up there. Yesterday we talked about ES heading to 7K. Now look at what happened. So yes, it's illegal in the US. Actually, there is a way to trade indices through. I think you can do it with Oanda, because FTMO bought Oanda Forex brokerage, so I think you can, but I don't know the details. Actually, these were mainly Forex trades. It's not allowed, yeah. Oh, I just got another TP on the FTMO account. The euro dollar trade went nicely. Wow, cool. Let's see what's gonna happen later. Yeah, I think you can, but you have to open an account through Oanda, and there are some limitations. It's basically the first in, first out rule, which is changing. It's the so-called FIFO rule, so not the FAFO, not the F around and find out, but first in, first out rule, or something like that, and something else. Anyway, different type of accounts for US traders. Well, as I said, my first payout ever from prop firms were futures at TopStep. So my first payout was from TopStep in 23. And before that, for 2 years, I was struggling like hell with FTMO. And I was like, one day I will show it. Okay, my trade is in a drawdown, by the way, now. So heading into a drawdown, unfortunately. I might even cut this one. I might cut this trade. Yeah, I think I'm cutting it. I'm closing down. Okay, I closed the trade. So I'm flat $73 minus. I closed it. I had to. I had no other choice but to close it. Feel like it just wants to go back down to midnight level. Who knows? Maybe not. But I just left it there. I just left it. My dream is to buy a shitload of Tesla shares and sell a car. Oh, well, actually, that's not a bad plan. Good move. I trade CFDs on FTMO, yeah, Forex pairs, but I mean, this is not my main focus. I'm still focusing on futures. This is, as I said, it's a side quest. Lower wick, yeah. I might made a mistake by closing this trade out too early. But anyway, it could have been just a fake out trade in this morning. You know, could be heading back higher. It could be heading back higher. What can you do? Hey, Roldy247, thank you for joining the stream. Welcome. Thanks for being here. Welcome to the channel. Oh, wow, look at this. I closed down the trade and it goes higher. Not something I like. Well, what can we do, right? Not much is moving. Made 6 figures in 19 trading days. Oh my gosh. 63 trades. Could never do this with futures, but I have to inform my bank for this payout. Yeah, I mean, if you made 6 figures, and if I get a wire transfer of 6 figures from any prop firm, my bank would definitely call me like, hey, what is going on? And it's kind of crazy, you know, like banks wanting to know where your money is from. Ba-da-da-dum, ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum. Well, obviously I have to I mean, yes, it's documented, but I have to show them everything. At least that's how it works in this country. I'm not shorting this. I'm no, I'm not shorting. I'm flat, actually. I'm flat. I was thinking to short maybe gold just to check that level lower. There is actually a 5-minute fair value gap here. Not that I like to short gold because it's super dangerous. But so far, all I have is a small loss. This London session, I don't know what I should do now. So... I'm in Switzerland. I had a lot of problems. Ah, I see. Well, they're asking for too much proof. But 6 figures? That's an amazing result. With that, you should be on the... Are you on the leaderboard, by the way? Let me check the leaderboard. Well, which account size do you have? I had never checked the leaderboard, by the way. Leaderboard at FTMO. I mean, let's see. Leaderboard. This is all the leaderboard here. 200k. All right, 200k. And you should be somewhere here in the top 10. Agnes, Lucy, Willington, Visual Markets. It's not here. Maybe on a different leaderboard. 200k. But this is the 200k leaderboard. Let's check the full leaderboard. Equity 500, profit 207. No. These are big players. This is Great Britain. I don't know. Maybe it's not showing up. Oh, anyway. Some great profits here on the leaderboard, though. 87, 91k, 103k, 100k. Nice accounts there at FTMO. How is crypto, by the way? Ethereum went up quite a bit. Also Bitcoin. Quite a run up there. Anyway. It's Forex basically. It's Forex. It's Forex. You don't want to be on the leaderboard. You won't see me. Oh. Oh, I see. But I thought that everybody's on the leaderboard. I had a friend of mine who was trading. I think he was trading the 10k or 25k account, and he made it to top 10. And here's a Hungarian fellow. Look at that, Martin S. Is it Hungary? Yeah, Hungary. And he got put on the leaderboard. I didn't know if you have to say it like you don't want to be on the leaderboard. So I guess you have to tell them that you don't want to be on the leaderboard then. 923. Look at that. NQ is going lower. It's not optional. I thought it's I don't know, because I never knew how these things are going with FTMO. If you don't want to be on the leaderboard, I guess you have to ask them to take you off. 923. I think it might gonna go. Look at the VWAP, how close we are. We are very close. And there's a zone as well. Oh my gosh. I might have forgotten. No, there's no zone. Okay. All right. I was just mistaken. There's no zone. All right. I'm not jumping into NQ here because it's just, you know. But man, this down there, how far is this? 57 points. 57 points. I don't care. I don't trade the VWAP, by the way. I don't really care too much about it, but it seems like that this market might just want to go a little bit lower here. Let me see. 923. Maybe I'll jump in. I don't know. Still don't know it. If I want to. So yeah, it's not there. No, I'm not gonna take a trade there. For a second there, I thought I might take a short on on the CFD contract, but I'm not going to. No, I'm not. I didn't listen. Randall, what did you say? Oh, you said it's gonna go lower. Yeah, I think you said somewhere down there at 940, 50. I'm sorry. 949. Yes, I remember you said that, but I didn't listen. I don't know why I didn't. You know what? I can still do something here. But if it goes down, How far is that again? No, the problem is I can't. I'm sorry, Randall, with all my respect, I just can't take a short. I can't. Morning from Austria. Hey, Valdijon, hello. How's it going? Don't short it. I'm a little bit scared to jump into a short here. Closer to 900. When it tests the breakout level, it usually tests the bottom level. Oh, is that so? Yeah, it's grinding down since 1 p.m. 1 a.m. Since 1 a.m. here. It's just slow grind. I'm still gonna stay with the 108 level up there. I'm just I want to stay with that level. We have 110 likes and almost 200 viewers. That is amazing. Thank you everybody. This is absolutely amazing. Awesome. And by the way, just a bit of a commercial, because today I didn't say anything about these things, but if you would like to support the channel, please use the code TOMSABO up there for all these platforms that we're using and trading. Currently, the buy one get one for free promo still runs at Funded Futures Network. Check it out. That's in the links. And we need a couple of more sales with Take Profit Trader and TRADEIFY. I've been told, it's no troll, if we can push a few more sales this month with Take Profit Trader and TRADEIFY, we can get giveaway codes for the community. So, you know, just think about it, 30% off on all the evaluations at TRADEIFY, and Take Profit Trader still has the 40% off, no activation fee with the daily payouts. That's why I put it there in the pinned message. Philip Kress, hello. Thank you for joining. Thank you. And of course, MyFundedFutures has the Rapid plan and the Pro plan on sale. Also works with the code TOMSABO. And we have some other ones. Apex is back to the standard 50% sale. Bulenox is 45 right now. And what else do we have? The Lucid accounts with no monthly payments and no activation fee. I think it's down like 40% right now at Lucid. So you can have instant funded accounts with Lucid, just like with TRADEIFY. And TRADEDAY, of course. Let's just not forget about TRADEDAY with the daily payouts. Massive, solid prop firm. So anyway, there are some prop firms here. Thank you so much for considering and supporting the channel. Thank you. God bless. All right, so we're waiting for this. If we go lower, 40 plus, oh, plus a 10%. So it's 50% off. Yeah, they have like that. Yeah, sorry. Gary, good morning from Kentucky. Hello. 3 yesterday. Awesome. Trading Lab. Awesome. Amazing. It's a good deal. It's really, I mean, people tend to like Lucid because there's no monthly payments. You just pay a one-time fee and no activation fee, no other cost. You can just relax, chill, and just focus on trading. So that's kind of a good thing, right? New York 329. On my stream chart, what it says. It says 3:30. Is it not? Yeah, it's 3:30 a.m. Yes. Stream chart. Where does it say 8? I thought I managed to. Here it says 3:30. In my time, right now it's 9:30. Maybe YouTube is showing something else, but you know, I just put out the New York Times so we always know what time it is, because I mean in New York, because as far as I go with the trading concepts and everything, the way I look at the trades and the setups, I always adjust everything to New York time. That's why I put it out there. Look at that, it's going down. Well, here's 1 a.m. 1 a.m. is here. Okay, gold is going lower. We're gonna see 1 p.m. too. Okay, gold seemingly, look at it, picked up liquidity there, and now it might just want to go lower. But 1 p.m. yesterday, New York time, this was 1 p.m. New York time, right here, yesterday. We can say that it's dropping since 1 a.m. $949. Okay, Randall is calling this level out. It's interesting. 949. All right. Duly noted. 1 a.m. Yes, exactly. 1 a.m. 1 a.m. Yeah. It's dropping since 1 a.m. I'm still gonna stay bullish, Randall. I'm still gonna say, you know what? I'm gonna put a marker here. Like, you know what? I'm gonna give you the 950 here. Let's just put an alert there. To 950. Exited yourself. 40 point. Congratulations, Harshit. Good job. Amazing job. I'm still just kind of flat. I was just waiting. Couldn't do anything with this. I have two more positions on FTMO. One is a dollar CAD and a pound yen trade. I'm long on pound yen and long on dollar CAD. I forgot to check something. Nash Kuarishi. Hey, thank you for joining the channel. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. Trickle in. Thanks for joining the stream. Mirovsky is going to close the short at the VWAP, which is a nice target. You could get a 15-point reversal, then continue down. Okay, so we might be seeing a possible pop higher. We'll see. So far, so good. What is this? I gotta check on something real quick. I know you guys. I'm just curious about something on the pound here. On pound yen. I'm just curious about something on the pound yen. Just give me a second. I need to analyze this chart. Liquidity sweep. Okay, so that makes it a zone. I know it's not the same color. That's not the point. Oh, it's terrible. Just want to make sure if I'm seeing this right. I do see. Okay, I see this right. All right. Just wanted to double check about this level. 212.39. All right. All right, that's it. Thank you. Just wanted to check something on pound yen. All right, going lower, it seems like. Oh my gosh, it's going lower. It's going lower. Hey, ships, hello there. Doing great. What do you think of copper? Oh my gosh, I haven't checked copper in like ages, so I don't even know what's the symbol name, to be honest. MHG. Okay. MHG. Wow. Is this a good asset to trade like during the London sessions? I mean, it seems like it has some juicy levels. Look at that. There was a zone here. How the okay, yeah, this is my problem in London. The 1 minute looks terrible. But anyway, let's look at the bigger picture. London is ugly. Yeah, it seems it's basically the same as crude oil. So it's just very ugly to trade the candles in London session. But so far we swept the low. There's no like zone that I could go with. This is not a valid zone because of this bearish candle. Nothing on the 1 hour that I could go with. Nothing there. Nothing. This one, no. There is no zone on the 15 minute. Honestly, I don't have anything on copper here. Nothing at all. I don't see anything. Even if I would trade this regularly, I couldn't do anything with this right now. Let's just swap some lows here. It could be repricing this 15-minute gap. I guess on the 15-minute gaps are still somewhat significant on copper, so we could go down to like that 5880-ish area, or 5.880, and then, you know, because everything just goes higher, I think this is also super bullish asset. Look at the daily chart. Yeah, then it will just continue higher. Yeah. Otherwise, no idea. NQ still slowly grinding lower. Platinum is great. Gotta be careful, yeah. Oh, nice. Randall, that's amazing. Are you in with 2 minis there? Because that's hell of a good money. That's amazing. $40 is the risk. That's nothing. That is amazing. Amazing, amazing. That is amazing. I mean, I don't want to take the joy away, but I'm still gonna say, like, we're gonna be bullish today on NQ. That is what I think. So if the market will finally finish the job here in this area, then I'm just hoping that it will just go finally go for that 100 level, 26,100. But first, we obviously need Randall to reach that level. That's why I put that alert at 950. I've been trading at this a few days now. Call it beginner's luck. Oh, no, you're not a beginner, Randall, that's for sure. Randall, please, when can we sit down to talk about movies and filmmaking? I think I could listen to you for hours. If you have traded withdraw trend line, too low. Ah, that's also a nice strategy. It seems like. Request, yeah, Randall could be our mentor. You're very bullish, but you have to trade probabilities. Exactly. Randall, when can I visit you in Italy and drink some wine and talk about movies and filmmaking? Trading is much more exciting. No. Oh, okay. All right. Let's see. Well, yeah, I'm also be super bullish on NQ, but again, the question is, how far is this gonna go down? Sorry, I just had to double check something. Still waiting. called the double FAQ could go along for 10-15 points correction, but down is inevitable. You think so? Down is inevitable. Okay. All right. I'm with you on that. I mean, we can go lower a little bit here. AD, what's up? Hello. Welcome. All is good. Thanks for joining us. Do you have a buy on NQ? I don't have a buy currently. I'm still waiting. I will have a buy position, I can tell you that, if throughout the New York session we can break higher. So here's what I'm thinking. If we can break, actually, let me use a different tool here. So if we can do something like this, that's what I would be interested in. So in terms of levels, I would feel much safer if we can break through the 26,020-ish area, maybe higher, and anything there. I mean, I would be looking for a fair value gap somewhere along the way. That's it. You know, any fair value gap around here would do. That would be my plan. But until we're just hovering here, we could be obviously tagging the VWAP here, 956, and then lower. Yeah, so that would be great. But like, you know. So that would be my plan. If, and that's a big if we can get down there. But I'm not sure. Took a short since 9. Let's go. Thank you with pop back up for now, then later today drop back down and create a strong higher low. Then from there to the moon. No collapse today. Thank you for the insight, RTS. Yeah. I like the idea. Curry fishbowl, I'm sleepy too. Honestly, I'm spending too much time at the computer. I need to go out running. Yeah, it's definitely not full of excitement this London session. Putting 920. Looking to exit at 26. Okay, let's see. Yo, Dominic, welcome back. Hey, good to see you, man. Well, gotta be careful when Donald Trump speaks. Or maybe he's even going to tweet something. I don't know, but, you know, just gotta be careful. NQ is so far holding. We are going to have the pre-market open in 10 minutes from now. Trading, it was good. Sort of like in a little bit of a profit, but not too much. I mean, you know, London is not so good. yesterday and today. It's just a little bit boring, you know. Yeah. Oh, nice. Nice. Well, you went for it. Congrats on that. Good job. Let's see this. What's NQ going to do here? And Donald Boom, not Trump. Yeah. My swing trades on CFDs, they're chills. Nice. Less stress, right? Ah, you're in a trade on pound yen. Let me check it. Oh yeah, I'm in a long position too on pound yen. Nice, nice trade, Dominic. I see it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I like it. Looks good. Looks amazing. Congratulations. You know. Seven more minutes. I'm curious how's it gonna go. And until we're waiting. Oh, we have 122 likes. Let's go. Can we push it to 130? 8 more likes, and at least we have 130. I know it's a boring London session. I'm aware of that. Oh my gosh, it's like watching paint dry. I know. Ah, you're bored of the London session. All right, see you later, 80. Thank you for dropping in. Have a good one. Yamil is here. Hey. Facing the ground flat on his stomach. Me? I'm not. Oh, I mean, maybe Trump? I don't know. Hey, Nutsubai, hello there. Have you received a payout from Lucid Flex account? No, not yet. Not yet. I'm still working on it. Gennaro, hello. Welcome. Thanks for joining the stream. I don't know. I didn't know what you were saying, Yamil. Yeah, I know it's a struggle. I know. We're all struggling to keep our eyes open right now. HD photo totális, igen, borzalom. Ez katasztrófa. This is HD photo is just saying it's very, very bad, this movement, and it's I agree, this is a catastrophic price action. Alex Pretty, the ICE execution. Oh, I'm sorry, I wasn't following the comments there. I mean, I do know what happened. Yeah, sorry, I wasn't aware of that you're talking about that. Yeah, I did see that, and it's terrible. It's just terrible, and I, you know, obviously I don't want to go into politics. All I did say, and the Hungarian media outlets, some of the outlets, like actually not some, but more and more media outlets are covering the story. Some photos I've seen, I don't know if those photos are fake or not, but it seemed to me that that person was disarmed, so they took away his gun and they faced him down the ground, and the ICE agent shoot the man in the back multiple times, or maybe in his head. I did see the photo. Unarmed man grounded on his stomach and shot in the back of his head, I think, or in the back, I don't know. I saw the photo, and this is just absolutely, I mean, it does, I don't know. I mean, I do know it's terrible. It doesn't matter which party are you favoring. This is just, I mean, you know what got into my mind? You know, World War II, Gestapo, basically. World War II. That was the first thing. I mean, obviously I wasn't there, but like the things I've learned about things that were happening, the same kind of things on the streets. And I was like, whoa. Anyway, let's move on. Sorry. Hey, Genny Vita, hello. Vitaka, sorry. Welcome to the channel. Hello there. Higher time frame is bullish. Yeah, let's see. Let's see what's going to happen here. Yeah, most likely tomorrow FOMC, yeah. Made 1K. Let's go frequency. And you know, you can generate movies. You say, I know, MSGF. That's why I don't know. You know, the thing is about these news is that you don't know what is real or what is not real, because there's no control now over the news. You can generate images, videos, and the worst thing is that even the, you know, those news outlets are not even checking or not doing some fact checks. So you know what? That's why I'm not even going to. I'm sorry, I'm not commenting more. But you never know what is reality or what is not. Yeah, Mel. Hey, Alicia, what's up? I'm not trading silver. I know it's very popular, PVX, but like, you know, it's very dangerous. Be careful. I don't get the protest really exactly. The news is dodgy. Yeah, so yeah, all these TV channels, websites, everything, like very, very dodgy indeed. Okay, by the way, we had the pre-market open and nothing is happening. Sebastian, hello. Thank you for joining us. Welcome to the channel. It's a wild time for sure. Yes, it is. It feels like to me that gold might want to go lower. I mean, look at this. Here we have this fair value gap on gold right here. We have the midnight level. We have the weave up down there. We have an absolutely perfect 5-minute zone. So 5-minute demand zone right down there. And it's valid. Now, we did close above, but look at this price action here. So it doesn't feel like a push yet to the upside, but who knows, obviously that, but. And it was like, how many hours? It was 8 hours ago since gold contacted the weave up and then went there. Who knows? I'm just saying it's oh wow, look at that. 949 is incoming. In UK, better not put out any comments, as if you put comments against mainstream, you could be jailed. This almost the same thing here in Hungary, but it's practically the same. If the Hungarian government is monitoring and collecting the information about those individuals who are commenting against the government, they're collecting information, and once they find out who you are, they're just going to make your life miserable. Like they're going to send the tax office after you, or they're just going to, if you're working at a government facility or a government, you're for the government, don't be surprised if you get fired, you know, or stuff like that. So they're just gonna ruin your life. That's what's going on currently in Hungary. Gold W pattern. Could be. Huh. I know. I told you guys many times. I mean, this happens, and they sent out the SWAT team to a YouTuber in Hungary because he was making a mockery of the government, some parody videos. I mean, anyway, it was not because of all the parody. It was mainly because of one video. They said it was because of copyright. So they said they sent out the SWAT team again. The official explanation from the government officials was they sent out the SWAT team again. Just take a second to think about that. They sent out the SWAT team for this YouTuber's apartment because there was some copyright issues on his videos. Copyright issues. So they sent out the SWAT team. And like 12 police officers, the SWAT team, and the tax officers to his apartment, and they took away all his stuff. Everything, the computers, everything. Phone. And the official explanation, yeah, because he was having some copyright problems, you know, I mean, on his content, and, you know, we took away his stuff. Anyway. Yeah, exactly, Dominic. Exactly. That's what they said. That was the excuse. Copyright issues. That's why the SWAT team, the police, I think there were like almost 30 officers, including SWAT, like a bunch of SWAT people, police, and tax officers in his apartment because of a copyright issue. That's what happened. So anyway, wild times. It's kind of bad, but I'm actually up quite nice. Let's go. Print that money. Good job, good job. Yeah. I'm still holding this pound yen long position, by the way. I closed down the others, but like... Show us your AirPods. Oh yeah, the AirPods. AirPods Max 2, or I don't even know, AirPods Max. Here's the box that they sent it in. Look at that. Here's the box. Actually, you see it a little bit better. It's kind of cool. MyFundedFutures style. Anyway, that's the box. So that is absolutely cool. And here's the AirPods. It has this holster. Look at this. It has its, I didn't even know, I never had such an, you know, thing like this. But anyway, holster, and I took it out from it. And look at that. It's like, oh, sorry. It has the, I don't know. MyFundedFutures logo on the back. It's kind of cool, right? What color? I don't even know what color is this. But like, and here's how it is. So it's really nice. Actually, if I put it on, I don't hear anything. I'm gonna use this for gaming. Oh, I just put. I don't hear anything. Absolutely anything. Yeah. I mean, to be honest with you guys, I'm most likely going to use it for gaming because I have these smaller earpods or whatever. And this is going to be very useful for me in gaming, I think. But it's like, yeah, it's branded with MyFundedFutures, and it's kind of cool. I'm waiting for the camera to focus. Anyway. Okay, there it is. So it's cool. I like it. And let me just put it back to... It's kind of a nice thing. I never knew that this is something like this. But yeah. It's a cool one. These are very good for gym and for running. I don't think. Hungarian music only headphones. Yeah. Yeah. Midnight blue. I don't know the color code of this. They are very comfortable, by the way. Really. They are super, super comfortable. Very, very comfortable. All right. All right, ladies and gents, I'm going to call it here. I'm not taking any trade. It seems like this. I had a small loss. That was it. I just can't jump into another one. I'm going to remain bullish, and I'll be looking for the 108. Who knows? Maybe we're going to get the 950 for Randall. I really hope. But then for the New York session, this is what I would be looking for. We'll see. I think gold is a good thing to trade still. I mean, I would be looking for shorts maybe. But anyway, thank you so much. What stuff? I use Streamlabs OBS. Streamlabs OBS. So thank you everybody again. I'll be back for the early New York session. Until then, stay safe. If you would like to support the channel, please use the code TOMSABO up there. We can get some accounts from Take Profit Trader and TRADEIFY. We only need a couple of more sales. Actually, 3 more sales, to be honest, at Take Profit Trader, so we can have 50K accounts for giveaway, and take TRADEIFY as well. Anyway, a couple of more sales. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Thank you for the support, and I'll see you in early New York session. All right, cheers, everyone.